All right, this is break 515. Two boxes of 2017 Topps Inception baseball. Both. I'm doing both at the same time, or just do both? It's Friday night. I mean, I can break till you guys are tired. I don't have to worry about shipping until Monday. You guys saying both together? Post both. First box coming out, 2017 Inception. I need to go in there and heat me up some food. I'm starting to get real hungry. Alright, card number 1 is Mike Trout going to the Angels. Mike Trout's new home is with Mike Schmidt. Okay, the hit on bottom, it's a relic auto. This next one is George Springer for the Astros. Astros card going to Langer and Leisure. Jacob deGrom for the Mets is going to go to Luis Soto. Jackie Bradley Jr. going to the Red Sox. Red Sox is Jamie Garza. Yankees fan has the Red Sox. AJ Pollock for the Diamondbacks is our first colored one. This one orange, 27 out of 50. Orange or gold or something like that. For the D-backs, that card's going to go to Josh Overman. Peek at this. Next card out is a green Yasmani Thomas, also for the Diamondbacks, also going to Josh Overman. All right. The first hit is 24 out of 50. Yulesky Gurriel with a beautiful two-color patch, part of the piping on it. This one for the Houston Astros RPA is going to go to Langren Leisure. Let's hit Langren. You get auto number 1. Alright, that was box 1. Let's go for box 2. Ouch. Alright, box 2, 7 more cards coming out, 1 more hit coming out. First card is Marcus Stroman for the Blue Jays. That will go to randomize. That will go to nobody. Card number 2 is Maikel Franco for the Phillies. This one going to Margaret A.E. Denardes. We got another patch auto. We're going to flip that to the bottom, open it last, unveil it last. Jose Abreu for the White Sox. That one going to Jamie Garza. Byron Buxton for the Twins. I go to Cannon Broadway. First hit Landgren was you. Uleski Gurriel, RPA, 2-color patch, numbered out of 50. Next up is green David Price for the Red Sox. That one's going to go to Jamie Garza. Last non-hit is Wilson Contreras for the Chicago Cubs. This one is purple and is 80 out of 150. That one for the Chicago Cubs is going to go to Junie Cordero. All right, last card. Last hit. That's a cool one. Yoan Moncada for the Chicago White Sox. RPA 41 out of 65. I haven't really heard on how Moncada is doing. Haven't kept up to date. This one is going to go to Jamie Garza. Nice hit, Jamie. That was Inception. Not bad on the second. We got this random to do real quick. It is Marcus Stroman. We're going to find a home for him. Alright, list, randomizer, paste. Let's bring you guys over. Alright, straight fill alphabetical order means we're going to roll for a 6 or more. This is for the Stroman base card, since the Blue Jays weren't owned by anybody. I've got an 8, randomizing 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 last time. Good luck. 8. After 8 randomizations, Junie Cordero and the Cubs are on the top. So Junie, you get the unclaimed Marcus Stroman base card. The hits were Yoan Moncada RPA out of 65, and a nice patch of Uleski Gurriel out of 50. So that was it for break number 515. Blue Jays. Go to Cordero. Alright guys, I'll have another one up soon.